Would you like to earn some extra cash? Well, you are in luck, because I'll be sharing with you 10 easy side hustles that you can do from your phone. These side hustles will have you earning money in no time. Whether you have a spare room, garage, or parking space, Neighbor.com can help you turn that unused space into cash. Neighbor.com is a platform that connects people who need storage space with people who have extra space. So if you have some unused space, why not turn it into cash? So let's dive into how it works. Neighbor.com pays its host monthly for every month that its storage units are rented. Depending on the size of your listing and your price, hosts can make as much as $600 each month. The first step is to list your space on Neighbor.com. It is free to sign up, and you can list any type of space you have available. Once you have created your listing, people in your area who need storage space can find your listing and contact you. You can set your own price based on the size and location of your space, and Neighbor.com will give you a suggested price based on the market in your area. One of the benefits of using the platform is that Neighbor.com offers insurance for your space, so you don't have to worry about damage or theft. Did you know that you can also make some extra money by becoming an online juror? That is right, you can actually earn money by participating in mock trials and providing feedback to attorneys who are preparing for actual trials. Typically, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per mock trial, and some companies may pay you per case, while others may pay you hourly. An online juror is someone who participates in mock trials, which are simulated court cases, and provides feedback to attorneys who are preparing for actual trials. As an online juror, you will review case materials, watch video presentations, and provide your opinion on the case. To get started as an online juror, you will need to sign up with a reputable company that offers this service. There are several companies out there, including Online Verdict and eJury. Once you have signed up, you will need to fill out some basic information about yourself, and then you are ready to work. For the next side hustle, with the right tools and skills, you can earn hundreds of dollars every single week. You can make money by editing videos for YouTubers who need help with their content with just your phone. There are many apps available that allow you to edit videos directly on your phone, including iMovie, Adobe Premiere Rush, and KineMaster. These apps have all the basic features you need to edit a video. To get started as a video editor, you will need to create a portfolio of your work. You can do this by editing your own videos or offering to edit videos for friends or family members. Once you have some samples of your work, you can start advertising your services on Fiverr or Upwork. Some YouTubers may pay per video, while others may pay hourly. You can expect to earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour. So if you have a passion for video editing and want to turn it into a side hustle, editing YouTube videos on your phone is a great way to get started. The fifth way you can earn money with your phone is through Shopkick. It is an app that rewards you for simply walking into stores, scanning items, and making purchases. The app is easy to use and has a variety of rewards. Shopkick works by rewarding you with points for completing certain actions in stores. For example, you can earn points for simply walking into a store, scanning items, and making a purchase. Once you earn enough points, you can redeem them for rewards like gift cards, discounts, and cash back. Users have reported earning up to $50 per month with this app. While it's not a lot of money, it is a great way to earn a little extra cash for doing something you already enjoy. Mystery shopping works by hiring shoppers to visit stores and evaluate the customer service, product quality, and cleanliness of a store. After visiting the store, the mystery shopper is required to complete a survey or questionnaire about their experience. The shopper is then paid for their time and feedback. If you have a passion for photography, you can use your phone to take stock footage. Getting started with selling your pictures as stock footage is easy. All you need is a phone with a good camera and some creativity. Once you have taken your pictures, you can upload them to a stock footage website. There are many websites where you can sell your pictures as stock footage. Some popular options include Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. Now, if you were previously a student, you probably have a bunch of textbooks that you no longer need. Instead of letting them collect dust on your bookshelf, why not turn them into cash? You can make hundreds of dollars by selling your textbooks. Gather all your textbooks you want to sell. Make sure they are in good condition and free of any notes or highlighting. There are many places where you can sell your textbooks, including online marketplaces like Amazon and Chegg. Make sure to do some research and find the platform that offers the best price for all of your textbooks. Teaching English online is another great way to earn extra money from your phone as a side hustle. It is a flexible and enjoyable job that requires no teaching qualifications or experience, and there is plenty of room for growth if you decide to pursue it further. Teaching English online pays between $10 to $30 per hour, depending on your experience and qualifications. There are a variety of user-friendly platforms available, such as Cambly and italki. Lastly, you can use your phone to turn your unwanted items into extra money. Start by taking a look around your house and gather items that you no longer need or want. Once you have your items, take clear photos of your items using your phone. There are many selling platforms available that you can use to sell your items from your phone, such as eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace. Choose the platform that works best for the items that you are selling. Once your item has been received by the buyer, you will receive payment from the selling platform.